Good morning to you all, and we are here in woodworking lab of MSDC, and the Mr. Person is operating Mr. Vishwanath, and he is showing some of the process which we carry out on this machine. This is the main blade, and this is a swing.
Scoring
A
blade.
scoring blade, yeah. Yes, we are starting one of the process along with the coordination of Mr. Vishwanath, and this is angling. This bar is angling, and this is gauging. You can see all number of gauges. I mean, in terms of centimeter. Meter also marked over here. So now he is starting the process of cutting, and we'll have a look at it. We can keep the measurement. We can keep the measurement using this slide, such that whatever the measurement is required, it will be taken, and the cutting process will carried out. This machine is edge binder. The thing is that here we have to get 200 degrees centigrade. Then only this machine gets started, and it will start its process accordingly. Whatever the necessity, it will start. We will show you the program. We will show you the process how we are working on this machine. See, this is the cut piece. This piece will be edge binded. Okay. So this is a plywood piece, and it will be edge binded. Now we will be starting the process. Mr. Vishwanath will carry out this process, and is expert in woodworking. Now we are going with all this binding. This is the complete product. This is the finishing what we are receiving, and according to this machine, so you can see all this component. See this. This is the one. This is the one which will bind to the workpiece. You can see that on the machine. This will go, and this will give binding to this. This is the finished product by this way. You can see here.